Ever stumbled across a cryptocurrency promising financial freedom and community-driven wealth and wondered if it's too good to be true? That's exactly the case with Texit Coin, a platform that brands itself as a decentralized, mineable cryptocurrency, with grand promises of economic independence for its users. Texitcoin.org claims to offer a unique opportunity where anyone can join, mine, and profit. But when you dig deeper, some red flags start to appear. First, the founder's track record raises questions. There's limited public information about their past projects, and no clear history of successful, transparent ventures in the crypto space. The platform doesn't appear to offer any real, tangible products or services beyond the coin itself, which can be a concern for anyone seeking a sustainable investment. Texit Coin also operates on a binary compensation plan, a structure commonly associated with multi-level marketing schemes, which relies heavily on recruiting new participants rather than generating real value. This naturally introduces legal item risks, especially in countries with strict regulations around such plans, making participation potentially risky. Additionally, several aspects of the platform's claims can be misleading. Promises of quick wealth, high returns, or guaranteed profits are classic warning signs that require careful scrutiny. Some observers have even raised concerns about Ponzi-like mechanisms, given the heavy dependence on new user inflows to sustain the system. While Texit Coin isn't openly labeled as a scam, and some users may experience short-term gains, it's crucial to consider these structural issues, the lack of transparency, and the potential legal and financial risks before making any decisions. Overall, Texit Coin presents itself as an exciting, community-driven crypto project, but the combination of an unclear founder history, no tangible products, a binary compensation plan, and potentially misleading claims makes it essential for anyone interested to conduct thorough research, weigh the risks, and proceed with caution before investing.